Hey, it's John from Imagine Crafts, and I'm here to show you how to make this quick and simple project using Vertigo film and StazOn ink to create this amazing and stunning necklace. So to begin our necklace, we're going to cut out our Vertigo pieces, as you can see here, and this is using our Triangles 1 die set from the Media Mixage line that's made by Spellbinders. And for doing the smaller triangle, that has the hole cut out in the middle, just like this, you want to make sure that you use your magnetic plates so it can hold your dies in place when you go to put your Vertigo on top of it to cut. So you would do your sandwich for the machine. I have my pink embossing plate and then the magnetic sheet. And the reason why I'm using the embossing plate is when I put my piece of Vertigo down, I'm going to use the metal shim plate. And what this is going to do is this will give a nice clean cut. Then I would just use my base plate and run this through the machine as normal. In total, you're going to cut one large triangle, 4 of the smaller triangles with the little cutout, and then you're going to cut 4 pieces that are solid without the cutout in the middle. So a total of 8 in this size, 4 with the holes, 4 without. Once you have those all cut, we're going to start coloring our Vertigo, and you can see it has that nice shine to it. One side is actually super shiny and the other side has a matte finish. It's a little bit hard to tell on here, but you can always rub your nail on it, and one side, the matte side, has more of a tooth to it. That's going to be the side that we're going to color solid. So I'm just going to put this down, and I'm going to use my StazOn Fuchsia Pink, and with an ink blusher I'm just going to apply the ink directly onto my Vertigo. And as you can see, it gives that nice fuchsia pink color coming through. Now I've inked up my Inkadoo rubber stamp with StazOn the Royal Purple, and now I'm going to stamp my Vertigo piece, and I'm going to do this on the opposite side that I colored on. And there you can see I now have my pattern with the fuchsia pink showing through. And I just want to show you the completed colored pieces that I've made. This is with the hole cut out, and this is just with the fuchsia pink. Add a little contrast, I added on Royal Purple onto a couple of the other pieces. Once you have your Vertigo colored and rubber stamped, you want to use a micro hole punch, and you can see right here on the end, I punched a hole for my jump ring. If you've never worked with jump rings before, this is a very simple process. You just need a couple pairs of flat nose pliers, and I'm just going to hold the jump ring with one pair, and I'm going to open the jump ring with the other side. You don't have to open this very far. And now I'm going to take my Vertigo piece and I'm going to pass my jump ring right through that hole. So you can see now I have my jump ring attached, and you want to go ahead and do that with all your pieces. It's easier to do that and prep them all at the same time. I've passed my jump ring through one of the rings on my necklace, and this is in the middle point. So you can see here's my necklace on this side here. Now I'm going to take my flat nose pliers again, hold that, and you can see it's open right here. Move the chain out of the way so you can see it a little bit better. And then I'm going to take my other pair of flat nose pliers and I'm going to turn, and you can see how I'm just passing that midpoint, and I'm going to let it come back. That way you can make sure that your jump rings are completely flat across the middle. So now when I open this up, you can see that I have this attached to the middle of my necklace. And now I'm going to finish attaching the other pieces. And here's our finished assembled necklace. And it's really cool to see how just 2 colors of StazOn and a little bit of Vertigo can turn into this amazing and stunning piece of jewelry. For more great project ideas, check out Imagine Crafts on Facebook, Pinterest, and at imaginecrafts.com.